think I just discovered a new hack that could help you get your drum roll. And this doesn't involve the usual shenanigans hearing for so long. This hack helped me, and I believe it will help you as well. And it also helped a couple of people. Like if you have another skill, if you have customer service skill, or you have tech support skill, or any other skill that is easier to get into, please go ahead and get into that. I wanted to get into a company as a designer, but as at then I could do a lot of things. I could pitch myself for the company to notice me and to hire me at the time, but the thing is that they don't even believe they need a designer at the moment. So for me to convince them would have gone a long way. We'll be doing a lot of back and forth. When I got in, during my induction program, I met with some of their tech team where we networked, and they told me that they needed a designer on the team, but the company doesn't want to get a designer. Blah, blah, blah. You know how companies can be at times when they are trying to cut costs and all. So I just pretended as if I was not interested. But I told them that in case you guys are looking for designer, so they requested for my portfolio, which I gave to them, and from then I started working as a customer service person, like we agreed. And along the line, while working as a customer service person, they realized how much they needed a designer. Working as a customer service person on the team made me have access to a lot of problems which I pointed to them that okay, this will be a problem for your user and this is how you could fix it. So those are, it's just basically providing solutions to problems that users are going through, or problems that users may encounter while using a product. So, and they feel like okay, we've been having this problem and we've been wondering how to fix it, and the rest they say is history. So that was how they came up with the plan of okay, let's get a designer on the team, and that was how I got hired as a designer from the tech team. So I think it's well, a great deal of people, because going through the recruitment process is very stressful for companies. So company would do anything to scrap that process, to make it easier for them, to make it stress-free for them, to make it faster for them as well. So that's why most companies prefer recommendation from somebody. It is much easier for you to get into a company when you are already working in that company. Yes, even if you are a cleaner, it will be easier for you to switch role, to switch from a cleaner to an accountant, so in the same organization, than for you to be an outsider and try to apply as a fresh person into that organization. So if you have somebody who wants to switch role from the same company and somebody who is a total stranger, they would consider that person who is already their staff, but in another department, before they consider you. Just try and get into one company. If you feel like, oh, this company, I'm in this company, just do your best to get into that company. And get into that company, the only thing that will be left for you is for you to prove yourself that you can actually do this job, that you can actually deliver your skills. I'm not saying you should prove yourself, I'm telling yourself to level. And don't close your mouth, open your mouth and let people know this is what I do. Any small conversation, chip it in. This is what I do. Apart from being a cleaner, I'm a developer, I do this, I'm a data analyst. Open your mouth. You never can say. Somebody might be watching. This is why this hack is a win-win for both the company and the applicants.